time for Bini!
Thank you so much for sharing the stage with us.
Thank you. It's an honor to share the stage with such talented people, so thank you so much for having me. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Grabe. Thank you. Okay, may na-check na tayo sa bucket list natin. Diba? Makaperform ang isang...
Ang ng boses ni James, no? Bagay na bagay sa song.
Sasabihin si Ate Colette.
Ano niya? Idol niya yan.
So, eto na nga. Moving on, I'm just so happy na I finally get to enjoy the Pure Gold stage with you girls. Kasama na ako kasi last time, yeah, meron akong injury. But now, kaya-kaya.
Yes, naman, kaya.
That is true. And in here, dito sa arena na to, wala kami gulong. And thank you so much Pure Gold for making this happen. At sana tuloy-tuloy lang yung support na natin sa P-pop dahil panalo talaga ang Pinoy talent!
Yes, bongga talaga si Allen Purin. Siyempre, maaasahan niyo sa grocery at winner pa sa mga paganap. So, more to come. Thank you po, Allen Purin. We love you!
Thank you po. Next up, first time here in the Philippine Arena. If you guys know the song, feel free to stand up and dance with us.
But, do you guys know Shaggy Shaggy Shopper?